Hello coders, welcome to my video. So we have studied about the arrays in the last videos. So let's practice the arrays, how to use it in our programming. So for that, we are going to have a discussion on how to reverse an elements of the arrays. Okay. So for example, I have an array starting from 1 to 6. So I have to reverse this array so that array would print 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So how to do that? So let's start. So first thing we need to do is we have to find the size of the array. Okay. So we have int, or we can take unsigned int is equal to size of. Here we take the array name divided by the size of arr 0. Okay, so this will give me the number of elements that is present in this array. Okay, so once we get that, we'll take a function reverse array. Okay, so we'll take the two inputs in this function. So the first one is the array will passing to this function, and second is the array size. Okay, and at last we need to print this array. So for that, I'll take integer I is equal to 0, I less than, we have the number of elements, array size. So I'll take this, and then we have I plus plus. Okay, so inside this, I will print the array like print f, and here I have array index is equal to percentage t, and here I'll take the index and array I. Okay, so let's create this function. So I will take a void function here. Okay, so the first parameter is int array. We're passing a array to this function. Then we have int the size. Okay, so inside what we want. Okay, so we will take two integer value. One is start and what in one, so that we can accommodate the size of the array. Okay, so I have the start variable that I'll put 0, comma, I will take a end variable as well, and here this I will give the size -1. Okay, so we'll start from 0 and go to size -1. Okay, so while loop we will be using over here. So for the condition, we'll take from start if it is less than end. So this loop will be true till we reach end or the last element of the array. Okay, so inside this while loop, what we need to do, we need to swap the values in the arrays. Okay, so here I'll take a temp variable to swap. I'll take the array start here. Okay, then I will take array start here, and I will give the value of array end here. Okay. So till now, this temp variable contains the array start address, like array 0 address. Okay. And we are putting the value of array end to the first. Okay. And then we have array end. So this should have a value of 10. Okay. So the last elements become the first element. Then we have start plus plus and end negative negative. Okay. So when we do this, our first value will be occupied by the last value of that array, and it keeps on rotating till all the elements are swapped, and this condition should match. So this condition will be fail if start is equal to end. So when there is n minus minus and start minus plus plus, when it reaches to a position where start is equal to end, it will break. Okay. So this is how the swapping works, and we need to check what is the value we get in this array. Okay. So let's save it. I'll run it. Just compile. Okay. So array 0 value is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 as expected. Okay, so this is how we are using arrays. So let's see in the next video. Thanks.